Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm basic prerequisites and start editing immediately. First, right-click the file, choose Properties, and unblock or remove Read Only. Next, if the file is in OneDrive or SharePoint, make sure you have edit rights. Request them if needed. Also, quit sync clients and any backup programs that can lock files. Once done, reopen PowerPoint and attempt editing to see if the lock was the culprit before moving to deeper fixes. If basic fixes failed, troubleshoot extensions and the app itself. Start PowerPoint in safe mode by holding Control while launching. This disables add-ins so you can test editing. If safe mode restores edit capability, go to File, Options, Add-ins, and remove or disable COM add-ins one by one to find the offender. If safe mode does not help, run Office repair in Programs and Features to complete the fix by salvaging content and ensuring stability. Save a copy of the presentation as a new PPTX or export slides into a blank file to bypass hidden corruption. Make sure shared file permissions and sync status are correct. Sometimes root loading to OneDrive fixes transient locks. If problems persist, reinstall Office or restore from a recent backup to eliminate persistent corruption. Troubleshooting tip: if edits still fail, try opening the file on another machine to isolate local environment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.